Hey guys, here I am again, hunkered down in the heather. Today I want to touch on what nature coaching is, or what I do, what I love doing, and what a lot of these videos are about. Well, it's basically a way of working with nature, and your coach is basically a facilitator and facilitates you in finding the right way of recognizing what you need to do to embody a healing process in your life, so you can truly make the right transformation. In the old days, it would have been like the druid of the village or something like that. You go and see and get advice. But these days we don't have that. But we can have this amazing thing called nature coaching. One of the other aspects of it, the way I embody it, which is different from other nature coaches that are out there, is using the planets in the zodiac, because they are spiritual radiating forces and they radiate into the earth, and what you need to do is work with them consciously, so you can almost feel their presence and see how they work in different parts of your body and different parts of your mind and your feeling. And that's another aspect of what I embody as nature coaching, as a nature coach. So yeah, that's what I wanted to share with you. So remember to subscribe and sign up. Right, bye for now. Have a good day.